If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages on a Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer is partially yes, at least right now when I am recording this video. Seems that Google Messages app received an update not so long ago, and now it is possible to recover chats or conversations. It is still not possible to recover messages, so when you try to remove messages, specific messages, then you will see this information that this action cannot be undone. And this has been pretty much the whole time. But now, if you try to remove a chat or conversation, and then we have this information instead, move chat to trash. So we can actually move to trash, and then of course we can recover the conversation. So we need to tap on our Google account on the right or upper right side of the screen. And as you can see here, we have the trash option. So now we can actually restore the conversation with our messages. So perhaps in the future there will be another update which will allow us to recover messages as well. But for now, we can only recover conversations. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.